Good morning, children. We are continuing with the science chapter that we learned what was vegetative propagation. The first method we are learning is layering in plants. What is layering in plants? We are going to make plantlets with the quality of parent plants. Okay, so layering. The first method is air layering in plants. Step 1. You have to select a branch from the plant. The branch which you select should be a healthy one. And then step 2, here what you do is you peel off 1 centimeter of bark from the stem in a circular manner. You peel off 1 centimeter from the bark in a circular manner. Then that particular area, you are covering it with a wet mixture of coconut fiber, soil and sawdust. Third, after covering this area with this mixture, you cover it with a polythene sheet. Then both the ends you are tying with a jute twine. Step 3. In between, you have to put water into it. That is, you should see that the mixture is wet. After a span of 2 months, when you open the polythene sheet, step 4, you can see many roots arising from it. So after that, you can cut off this part and you can put them into a different pot, and from this a new plant will arise. This is called air layering. In your text, this is explained in a beautiful way. You can see the picture here. Peel off 1 centimeter of bark from the stem in a particular manner. You are peeling off. Then you are covering that part with a moistened mixture of coconut fiber, soil and sawdust. You are covering it. Cover it with a polythene sheet and tie both the ends with a jute twine. Now, numerous roots. Did you see so many roots have arisen? Within 2 months, you will find numerous roots will come out from that junction. Then you can cut the branch and plant it in a pot. This is called air layering. The next we are going to learn is simple layering. What is simple layering? Example is jasmine. Jasmine shrub you have seen, it will have many branches which lie close to the ground. You take such a plant and a lower branch of the plant close to the ground is taken. It is covered with wet soil in such a way that its growing tip remains above the soil. Now you have taken this branch, this part you are covering with soil. You have to keep in mind this tip should be on top. After some days, you can see that the tip has grown, and at that junction many roots have come out. It's called adventitious roots. When this plant is when it has grown and it is almost steady, you can cut off at this junction. Now this plant will grow into a new plant. This is called simple layering. So the rooted branch is then cut and grown into an independent plant. So this examples are jasmine and black raspberry. In your textbook, they have put up with another diagram, same thing. This is a plant which is branch is bent. It is bent. The soil is given here. It is nurtured. And then you can see it grows into a new plant. Now, what are the advantages of layering? Most of the plants can be grown this way. They have qualities of the parent plant. Flowering and fruiting of such plants are faster than those in plants formed from seeds. Meaning to say, when you sow a seed and the plant grows up, it takes time. But when you do layering, the time is less. Through this method, we can produce more saplings within a short period. So these are the advantages of layering. Hope children, you have understood layering. Now, these are the notes. Okay, what are the steps for layering? Please write it down in your notebook. The following drawings illustrate layering. Please draw these 3 diagrams into your note. The advantages of layering and disadvantages of layering. What are the disadvantages? Plants formed from layering do not have a long lifespan. They require more care and they do not possess taproot. They have adventitious root. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.